Hello everyone, welcome to FixZone. Today we will be discussing how to add a new language keyboard to your Mac. It's a pretty straightforward process, so let's get right to it. First, we need to click on the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen. Then you'll want to click on System Settings. Once you're in the System Settings application, scroll down until you find Keyboard and click on it. This opens your keyboard settings, but the specific option we're looking for is called Input Sources. As you can see here, I currently only have one keyboard, which is British. To add another one, click on the Edit button next to Input Sources. This will give you additional settings you can customize, but to add a new keyboard, click on the plus symbol icon in the bottom left corner. Now you can select the language keyboard you want to add. For this example, I'm going to add the Hindi keyboard. Once you've selected your language, you might see additional keyboard options. I'm going to select the standard one and then click Add. Great. You should now see the new keyboard has been added to the list. You can add as many keyboards as you'd like. Once you're ready, click on Done, and then you can exit out of the keyboard settings. So, how do we switch to that new keyboard and start typing with it? Just go somewhere where you can type. I'm using a notepad here. You'll notice a new icon appear at the very top of your screen, usually on the right side of the menu bar. Click on this icon. It'll give you a list of all the keyboards you've added. In this case, we'll select the Hindi keyboard. And just like that, the Hindi keyboard is selected, and you can go ahead and start typing using that keyboard just as you normally would. So that's it. If this video was helpful, please give it a like. And if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to FixZone for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.